Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So 1 over 2 with number 2, we have number 1. First derivative of number 1, we have 0 because this is about the constant. 1 over 2 with tan for s, we will have about negative number 4 over number 2 because we need to do first derivative of 4s. We have number 4 with number 2, and we have negative number 2 over cosine of 4s squared, and we have ds. Next, because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u. ds over cosine for s squared we change by du over negative number 2. Number 3 and negative number 2, we have negative number 6. The integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.